All-terrain military load truck, classical reproduction, is coming back. Hobby-grade workmanship, authentic scale design, high-class emulated drivetrain, independent suspension with reinforced framework. High-torque motor delivers powerful output sufficing off-road running. Heavy-duty shocks. Apt for Wi-Fi version with multi-angle views. Can switch to different professional crawler tire on general road or on snow-sand road climbing. All-terrain vehicle design, perfect for rough running conditions. Four-wheel drive, reliable traction, easy control, excellent suspension, and steering come together to fulfill a good job. Reliable waist twisting performance. Bright LEDs for night shift. Sintered alloy chassis, strong durability. Anti-collision, heavy-duty gearings. No fear for running on slopes of all kinds. Go off-road running. Enjoy yourselves with happy satisfaction in exploring. M35 A2 version 2, full terrain, Camaran military truck.